Hello everyone, Mia's here. Make yourself comfortable. Stretch your back, roll your shoulders back, and get ready for practice for your body. Calm your breathing. Take a breath in and breathe out. And one more slow, gentle breathe out.
Gently tilt your head to one side. You can place one hand on top of your head without pressing too hard. Use the other hand to reach to the side for a deeper stretch. Slowly lower your hand and bring your head back up. Now tilt your head to the other side and repeat the same stretch. Always choose the option that feels comfortable for you, as the neck needs extra care. Gently lower your head forward and place your hands on the back of your head. Feel a light stretch along the back of your neck. Slowly release your hands and lift your head. Interlace your fingers and start rotating your wrist in one direction. Then rotate them in the other direction. Stretch your arms forward and feel a gentle stretch through your spine. Keeping your hands clasped, reach up toward the ceiling. Lower your arms and turn your body to one side while keeping your back straight. Take a deep breath in, lift your arms up, and then lower them as you turn to the other side. Continue at a comfortable pace a few more times. Complete the last and lower your arms. Now come into tabletop position. Make sure your hips are directly above your knees and your shoulders are above your hands. As you inhale, arch your back and lift your chest. The cat-cow exercise is great for your spine and helps improve flexibility in your back. Complete one last round. From the same position, lift one arm up and open your chest. Then thread that arm underneath your body. The other arm can reach upward. Remember to breathe. Your breath helps you stay focused and feel each movement more deeply. From the same position, lift one arm up and open your chest. Then thread that arm underneath your body. The other arm can reach upward. Remember to breathe. Your breath helps you stay focused and feel each movement more deeply. Return to the starting position and lift one leg up. Move it out to the side and look toward your foot. You should feel a stretch along the side of your body. Bring the leg back down, now lift the other leg, move it to the side and enjoy the stretch. Keep your gaze on your foot. Return the leg to the floor and move into downward facing dog. Pedal your feet one at a time and reach your heels toward the mat. Lengthen your spine. Grow your belly and lift your hips up. Step one foot forward and place it between your hands. Bring both hands to the inside of the leg and sink a little lower. Feel the stretch in your legs. Make sure your front knee does not move past your toes. Torso and straighten your front leg. Reach your belly toward while you keeping your back straight. Bend the leg again and return to downward facing dog. Now step the other foot forward. Bring your hands to the inside of the thing. Depending on how your body feels today, you may lower yourself a little deeper. The stretch should feel pleasant, never painful. Lift your torso and straighten the leg for a hamstring stretch. Return to the downward facing dog. Roll through your spine to plank position. Lower yourself down, and as you straighten your arms, gently arch your back. Then move into child's pose and rest your back for a few seconds. Slowly come back up and return to downward facing dog. Walk your hands toward your feet. Feel your back and neck relaxing. Let your head hang freely. You can gently sway from side to side. Slowly roll up through your spine. Lift your head last. Reach your arms overhead and feel a gentle back bend. Your hips can move slightly forward. Then slowly lower down to a squat. Open your knees to the sides and bring your palms together. Use your elbows to gently press your knees outward. Your toes should also point outward. Keep your back straight and reach the crown of your head upward. Now sit down and extend your legs in front of you. Tilt your pelvis forward, reach your arms overhead, and fold toward your legs with a straight back. Try to bring your belly toward your thighs rather than rounding your back. If needed, slightly bend your knees. Bend your right leg and square your hips forward. Reach your right arm up and lean toward your extended leg. Keep your back straight as if there is a wall behind you. Reach the top arm slightly backward. Come back to the center. Now bend your left leg and repeat on the other side. Don't forget to breathe. Take a deep inhale through your nose and a slow exhale. Return to the center and open your legs wide. With a straight back, reach toward your right leg. Then walk your hands across the floor toward your left leg. Next, reach your hands to the center and enjoy the stretch. Move slowly and avoid any strong pain. Stretching should always feel beneficial for your body. Lift your torso and bring your feet together in front of you. On an inhale, reach your arms up. On a exhale, lower them down. With each inhale, fill yourself with energy. With each exhale, let go of stress and tension. One last deep inhale, bring your palms together and lower them to your heart.
Feel the warmth and lightness the stretch has given you. Take a moment to thank your body. I wish you a wonderful day and a great mood. See you. Bye bye.